Okay, use this as our pattern for the other two before I put that one on. Yep.
Oh, so they're similar.
Similar. Yes. I can even turn that way. Look at that.
Look at that.
That's just crazy. Crazy smart.
Crazy smart.
Crazy smart.
Schmat. Wicked schmat.
Wicked. Wicked.
It's wicked schmat.
Wicked. So I like to do opposites.
I hear they attract.
They do. Look at that little rough edge. I'm going to go ahead and push that little buddy in there. Okay, pop that all in. Palette knife underneath. Tuck it. Tuck it. Tuck it. There we go.
Okay, it's a lot of blue.
It's a lot of blue.
Gotcha.
Okay, cool. All right, so now we're gonna do a little rope. Get my little gadgets out here.
I know a clay gun when I see it.
Do you? Where is it?
Makin's.
Makin's clay gun. Clean your tools. Always clean off your tools, because then I'll get a nice clean cut. If you don't clean that pizza cutter off, then you don't get a nice clean cut and your work looks sloppy. So I have some letter cutters here. They're by Windsor Craft.
There we go.
Okay, so I'm gonna do, you know how the little like flags, pennants, whatever you want to call them, hanging down are all the rage, right? So I want to say, where did I see it? I saw a good saying, ahoy, it's a boy. Yes.
Cute.
So, ahoy, it's a boy. That's a lot of flags, huh? All right,
all on
so
one flag.
Huh?
It could be all on one flag.
Let me cut out some letters first and see what size flags I'm going to do from the letters. So I want my letters to be red. All right, so a little bit of cornstarch here that I cleaned off. Cut some strips. All right, so ahoy, it's a boy. So what I'm deciding here right now, up here, is what color I want these to be, the flag part. Do I want to go with the darker blue or the lighter blue? All right.
Kat says go for it.
Go for it. Go for what? Anything.
Go for the blue.
Go for the blue. Because it doesn't matter, because the red you're going to see.
The red's really going to pop out because you've got so much blue.
Yes. Ahoy, it's a boy. I guess I can just put these on and then it's a boy. I mean, you would need to see all of it in the front. So I like to start with, so ahoy, 4 letters, right? Okay, so I'll put one here. If this is kind of the middle, somewhere in this area. Like that. It's like, dude, it's a pumpkin! Oh my gosh,
Nice.
it's a pumpkin.
Halloween at sea.
Yes. And I'm gonna kind of bring this up a bit.
Flag-like?
Flag-like.
Banner-like?
Bannerish.
Okay, I see.